Most people design a bathroom by picking a vanity, a tile, and a mirror, then wonder why the room still feels generic. But the strongest bathrooms usually have a point of view before they have products. So in this video, we are taking one plain bathroom, same footprint, same shower, same tub, same window, and transforming it through 10 architectural styles. First, Brutalist Spa Bathroom. This is not harsh concrete just to look cold. It is about weight, silence, and sculptural calm. The room gets micro-cement walls, a monolithic stone vanity, an open walk-in shower, dark metal fixtures, and one strong skylight or recessed light line. Add a deep soaking tub and almost no small decor. It feels like a private spa carved from stone. Second, Moroccan Riad bathroom. Now the room becomes warmer, more textured, and more handmade. Think hand-cut Zalige tile, Tadillac plaster, arched niches, a patterned floor, and aged brass fixtures. The shower feels like a hammam corner, not a glass box. Add lantern-like lighting, a carved wood stool, terracotta, deep green, cobalt, or warm white. It is detailed but not chaotic. The beauty is in reflection, texture, and craft. Third, Roman Bathhouse Revival. Here, the bathroom becomes symmetrical, ceremonial, and quietly grand. Travertine wraps the walls, small mosaics line the floor, and the bathtub becomes the center of the room. Add stone benches, soft arches, classical proportions, and warm wall-washing light. Keep the palette cream, ivory, taupe, and aged marble. It feels ancient, clean, and incredibly luxurious without needing anything flashy. Fourth, Victorian Townhouse Bathroom. The whole space gets personality. A clawfoot tub, polished nickel fixtures, wall paneling, a pedestal sink or furniture-style vanity, and a black and white tile floor. Add a tall mirror, shaded wall sconces, and maybe a soft wallpaper above the wainscoting. It feels romantic, a little nostalgic, and perfect for anyone who wants the bathroom to feel like an actual room, not just a utility space. Fifth, Craftsman or Arts and Crafts Bathroom. This one is warm, honest, and built around detail. Think quarter-sawn oak vanity, handmade square tile, earthy green or amber glaze, simple bronze hardware, exposed joinery, and maybe a small stained glass window. The lines are not fancy, but they feel solid. Everything looks made by a person, not selected from a catalog. Sixth, Desert Adobe Bathroom. The walls become soft and rounded, almost sculpted by hand. Use clay plaster, built-in niches, a simple stone basin, sand-colored tile, and natural wood. The palette moves through ochre, bone, rust, and warm white. Add a small high window for dramatic sunlight and shadows. This style feels quiet, earthy, and sun-baked, like a retreat in the desert. Seventh, Tropical Modernist Bathroom. Now the bathroom opens up. Think teak, limestone, slatted screens, indoor plants, and a shower that feels connected to a private garden. The architecture does the work. Ventilation, shade, texture, and a line between inside and outside that feels very thin. Keep the fixtures simple and the materials real. It feels fresh, warm, and resort-like without becoming themed. 8. Gothic Revival Bathroom. This is the dramatic one. The mirror becomes tall and pointed, the stone gets darker, and the lighting turns moody and vertical. Add arched details, leaded glass, blackened metal, deep green or charcoal tile, and a vanity that feels almost altar-like. But keep it edited. The goal is not haunted house. It is romance, shadow, and architecture with a serious point of view. 9th, Alpine Chalet Bathroom. This bathroom should feel like a warm refuge after snow. Use natural stone, thick wood beams, a deep tub, wool or linen accents, matte black or aged bronze fixtures, and soft indirect light. The palette is slate, warm timber, cream, and charcoal. It is rustic but polished. The best version feels cozy, expensive, and deeply relaxing. 10th, Georgian Townhouse Bathroom. This is classic, balanced, and calm. The layout becomes symmetrical. The vanity is tailored, the marble is pale, and the walls get refined paneling or delicate molding. Add polished nickel, a framed mirror, sconces on both sides, and a restrained palette of white, gray, soft blue, or stone. It does not chase drama. It wins through proportion, order, and quiet elegance. And that is the power of designing from architecture instead of just decoration. The same bathroom can feel monolithic, handmade, classical, romantic, earthy, tropical, dramatic, cozy, or perfectly balanced without changing its basic size. A clear style tells you what tile to choose, what light to use, what shapes belong, and what to leave out. Which bathroom style would you choose for your home? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more interior design transformations.